Hi, my name is Anya. I really want to show you how to make fairy melting moments. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a bowl with 125 grams of softened butter, add in a third cup of icing sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I used clear vanilla essence. Mix until light and fluffy. Next, sift in 2 tablespoons of custard powder and 1 cup of flour. Mix until a dough forms. To the dough, add in 3 tablespoons of sprinkles and mix until well incorporated. Look how pretty it looks! It looks so colorful. Roll about a teaspoon-sized ball of dough and place it onto a lined baking sheet. Continue to do this for the rest of the dough. Once all your dough has been rolled out, take a fork and press it down, but not all the way, just to create an indent into the cookie. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Once baked, allow it to cool completely. Now for the icing. In a bowl with 50 grams of softened butter, gradually add in 100 grams of icing sugar. Mix until a smooth icing forms. If you find your icing is a bit too thick, add a few teaspoons of milk and it should come out perfectly. Now to assemble. Take a cookie and add a dollop of icing, then sandwich the cookie with another cookie. Roll the sides of the cookie sandwich into some sprinkles so that the sprinkles stick to the sides of the filling. And look how cool it looks! Continue to do this for the rest of the cookies. I hope you try to make this simple recipe at home, and enjoy!